We're making spaghetti with salad and breadsticks. So I cut up my veggies, bell pepper and onion, and I made the meat already. So the seasonings I used is garlic powder, onion powder, and the Morton seasoning. That's all I used, and I always taste my meat before I want to be done with it. Like I said before, you have to always under-season, not over-season. If you under-season, there's still room to make it better. But if you over-season, you can't come back from that. And it's terrible. And you don't really want salty food, because then everybody's going to be like, oh my god, it's so salty. And then they'll act like your food's good. Well, they're like, oh. Now my noodles are in. Oh, what? Now the noodles are in. I mean, the spaghetti, the pasta. So sorry, spaghetti. It's in. It's in. I'm going to be using this. It got cheese in it. Now all I have to do is just wait for the spaghetti to get done, and then we will mix it all, and then I'll go ahead and make the breadsticks and gather up some salad. I love salad. I feel like salad should go with everything, just like bell pepper and onion should go with everything. And then, you know, garlic powder and onion powder are cousins. They literally go hand in hand. You are supposed to put that in literally every single thing. Everything. Yeah. And this is the finished product, guys. That is all for tonight, folks. I hope you guys have a nice rest of your night. Bye.